Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is St. John the Divine, saying peace, love, and unity, and oneness to the Most High, Lord and God, the one and only worthy to sit on the throne, the only one worthy to judge humanity for what they have done. And this is just a part of Revelation, y'all. I've been trying to tell these people up in Canada exactly what's been going on. Everybody want to be hating on me because I speak the truth. Well, here is some more evidence, hard facts, that Nibiru is now inbound, and Wormwood will be hitting this planet within the next month or so. So, people, you can keep acting a fool and ignore the warning of the prophets. Okay? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a house way down there in the middle of the river. Just past the wall, about halfway, I would say halfway past that wall, concrete wall, green berm. This is just unbelievable. I'm going to take some snapshots here. Alright.